2025 is here and the investing world is shifting fast. Should you invest in stocks, gold, real estate, or even crypto? Is AI replacing your financial advisor? And where does India stand in this global storm of inflation, interest rates, and innovation? In today's video, we break down everything you need to know before investing your hard earned money in 2025. From global trends to smart strategies, from tax saving tools to sector predictions, this is your ultimate guide to investing smart this year. Hit that like button and subscribe to FunFin World where finance meets fun. Let's start with the big picture. Globally, inflation is coming down slowly, and central banks, including the US Fed, are expected to lower interest rates this year. That's great news for investors. Lower interest rates usually mean better returns from stocks and real estate. Back home in India, the economy is looking strong. We are expecting a GDP growth of over 6.5% in 2025, and sectors like infrastructure, renewable energy, and tech are seeing major investment flows. So, what does that mean for you? This is a great time to start or increase your investments, especially in India focused instruments. Now let's talk about the best places to invest in 2025. Let's start with the backbone of most portfolios, equity investments, including stocks and mutual funds. Even in 2025, India's stock market continues to rank among the fastest growing in the world, fueled by a young workforce, rising income levels, and digital inclusion. If you're new or want to invest smartly, go for SIPs in diversified mutual funds. They spread your risk across sectors and are perfect for long-term wealth building. Curious about hot sectors? Keep an eye on funds focused on infrastructure, AI and tech, and green energy. These are getting massive government and private sector support. But here's a golden rule. Don't chase hype or social media trends. Instead, trust the steady players, companies and funds with a consistent track record of performance. Long-term investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Next up, debt instruments. If you're someone who values safety and stable income, this section is for you. Instead of locking your money in low-yield bank FDs, consider smarter options. RBI floating rate savings bonds, government-backed and adjust with interest rates. PPF, the good old public provident fund with tax-free returns and EEE benefits. Or go for debt mutual funds, ideal for slightly better returns while still keeping risk low. And here's the best part. Most of these options not only offer higher returns than FDs, but also come with tax-saving advantages. So if you're building a balanced portfolio, don't skip this steady pillar. Now let's move to the traditional powerhouses of Indian investing, gold and real estate, plus a modern twist, REITs. Let's start with gold. It's more than just jewelry. It's a trusted hedge against inflation and market uncertainty. In 2025, the smart move is to go for sovereign gold bonds. Why? Backed by the government, earns interest, and best of all, no capital gains tax if held for 8 years. Now, on to real estate. With interest rates expected to soften this year, the property market, especially in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, is seeing a lot of traction. But wait, what if buying property feels too expensive? That's where REITs or real estate investment trusts come in. They let you invest in commercial real estate like malls and offices without owning the property directly. You get regular dividends and capital appreciation. So whether you're looking for gold's stability or property's growth, 2025 gives you solid ways to build long-term wealth. Let's talk about where technology meets investing. The new age trends reshaping how Indians manage their money in 2025. Gone are the days of visiting your bank for investment advice. Now you've got robo-advisors, smart AI tools that analyze your goals and automatically suggest the right portfolio. Apps like IND Money, Grow, and Zerodha Coin are making investing easier than ever. Want to invest in a theme, not just a stock? Try Small Case, where you can buy curated baskets like green energy stocks or Digital India portfolio, all in one click. And here's something cool. You can now do fractional investing. Buy a small part of high value assets like gold, real estate, or even foreign stocks with as little as 100 rupees. But a quick warning, if you're venturing into crypto or Web3, do it with caution. Keep your exposure below 5% of your portfolio and only use trusted, regulated platforms. 2025 is not just about where you invest, but how smartly you use tech to do it. Let's get real. Investing isn't just about returns, it's also about managing risk and planning smartly. First up, risk management. Don't fall for viral stock tips or Telegram group hype. Always do your own research and remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Next, diversify. A solid portfolio in 2025 should be a mix of equity for growth, debt for safety, gold for protection, and maybe a little real estate or REITs for long term wealth. Use simple rules like the 50-30-20 formula, or even better, goal based investing, where each investment aligns with a life goal like child's education, retirement, or travel. Now, let's talk about tax, something many investors ignore. Maximize your tax saving options with ELSS mutual funds under Section 80C, PPF and NPS for long term tax free growth. And don't forget the new capital gains tax rules. Short term versus long term gains are taxed differently now. Pro tip, review your portfolio twice a year, not every day. That's how wealth is really built. Alright, let's quickly recap your winning investment strategy for 2025. Equity for long term growth through SIPs and diversified mutual funds. Debt instruments for safety and stable returns like RBI bonds, PPF, or debt funds. Gold and real estate for wealth protection and diversification. And don't forget REITs. Use new age tools like robo advisors, fractional investing, and small case to invest smarter, not harder. And always plan around risk and taxes. Review your portfolio every 6 months, not every 6 minutes. Whether you're just starting or already investing, 2025 is a golden opportunity to build long term wealth. Just remember, be consistent, stay diversified, invest with purpose. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe to FunFin World, and share this video with someone who needs to start investing today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay smart, stay invested.